Ever wondered how you'd fare if you were dropped in the middle of a North American forest with nothing but your wits to keep you alive? Well, folks, today we're going to dive into the world of foraging, a skill that could mean the difference between life and death in a survival situation. Imagine you're a squirrel scurrying around the forest floor, your eyes scanning the undergrowth for your next meal. You're not looking for a five-star dining experience. You're looking for survival. That's what foraging is all about. It's not about gourmet cooking, it's about finding the food that will keep you alive and kicking. Now, the North American forest is like a supermarket if you know where to look. But remember, not everything on the shelves is good for you. Some plants can be harmful, even deadly, so it's crucial to know what's what. Let's start with the cattail, the supermarket of the swamp. This plant is a veritable buffet. The roots, shoots, and pollen heads can all be eaten. It's like the Swiss Army knife of plants, versatile and reliable. Then there's the humble dandelion. Most folks see it as a pesky weed, but in a survival situation, it's a lifesaver. Every part of this plant is edible. It's like the potato chip of the plant world, always there when you need a quick snack. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. Take the beautiful but deadly foxglove. It might look like a welcome splash of color in the forest, but it's as dangerous as a rattlesnake in a sleeping bag. Eating this plant can cause serious harm, even death. Foraging is like playing a game of chess. You need to know the rules, understand the players, and always think a few moves ahead. It's not just about finding food, it's about understanding the environment, knowing the risks, and making smart decisions. So, folks, that's a quick introduction to foraging in North American forests. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the plants around you, the better your chances of survival. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more survival tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.